Hey guys, Corey Arnold out here at Toyota Visa with some brand new inventory for you to actually come by and check out. Number one, 2026 GR86. Let me tell you something. This is a good looking car. Silver with, and let me tell you this, here it is, the manual transmission. So I understand that anybody who wants this car is going to want a manual transmission. We shouldn't say that. I should say a lot of people like the manual transmission in this car. Guys, that's a beautiful car. Come and look at it from the front. I mean, this thing looks like it could cost, it looks like to me like it could really cost a lot of money. Yet and still, this car is only 34 and some change. Manual transmission, brand new 2026 GR86 from Toyota, brand new. We just got it in late last night. It had a lot of dirt on it, took it around, got it washed up. It is now shiny, ready for you to come by and check this thing out. Let me tell you something. It is a good looking vehicle, one for you to check out and see. All right, here it is. Let's go around the corner here. Guys, I got to tell you something. I can't believe that we haven't sold this truck as of yet. And I got to tell you, all right, let's talk about some Norris built stuff. So this is what we do locally, kind of to jazz inventory up just a little bit. Now, we made a video on this particular truck. You know, I got a lunch riding on this car. The guy's got about, I think we did the video on the 7th, and I told him if it wasn't gone by the 21st, then he actually owes me lunch. So we're 7 days in, and it's still here, okay? I don't know what my chances of getting a lunch are, but I will tell you this, it is a good-looking truck. We added, that's got a 20-inch alloy wheel on it right there. We lifted the truck, 2.5-inch lift in the front, 1.5 on the back. We've got a cover on it. It is a good looking vehicle. You've got to come by, check this out. It is a sport 4-wheel drive. By the way, we will never lift a 2-wheel drive truck, not unless you make us or tell us. But if we've got it for inventory and stock, it's going to be a 4-wheel drive that we've got there. Good looking truck. Here it is right here behind us also. This is a 2025. Now let me say this. It is a brand new 2025 that we've not sold as of yet. So what are you going to get a deal on? Okay? You're going to get a deal in 2026 on a 2025 Toyota Tundra that we've got. Now what did we do? We put wheels, we put tires, we put a lift kit, we put a cover on the back. This is a TRD off-road 4x4. So not only does it look good, it's got a rear locking differential and it's got crawl control. So if you want to jump out, go down across the pasture or down the trail to the hunting cabin, this is the actual vehicle for you. Now, let me say this. When you're looking at this vehicle online, it looks like that we're asking more for the vehicle than it ever was. All right, well, let me explain. We added a lot of stuff to the vehicle. Come around on this side for me for just a second. You know what? I'm sorry. Somebody pulled it out. I was going to tell you what the original was. All right, so here it is here. So this vehicle, with what we've added to it, is now $76,887. There's a sell price online that looks like it's higher than the original MSRP. It's less than $76,887. But let me say this. It's a 2025 Toyota Tundra. It's a beautiful truck. It's brand new. It's a limited trim level with all of the blackout badging. And we actually did that floating roof. So we did the blackout up top. We put window tint. It already, of course, privacy glass came on the back. We matched it up front with window tint. This is a beautiful truck. And guess what? It's here for you to make me an offer or make the sales tower an offer on this truck. Beautiful truck that we've got, something different, good looking. You come by, check it out. We'll see you soon. All right, guys, that was a brief inventory walk. We're going to be doing videos here every day. All right, so get ready for that. But come by, see us at Toyota Visa. Check out the two that we've talked about today. See you soon.